We're going to look at what elements every valid HTML page requires. Before you start on this, you should already know what an HTML tag is. Now we'll look at structuring our HTML pages. Every HTML page should declare to the browser that it is HTML. We do this using the HTML tag. The starting HTML tag goes right at the top, and the ending one goes right at the bottom after any other page content. Like a person, every HTML page has a head and a body. The head section contains information for the browser. Information in the head is not intended for display. We define the head of our page using the starting and ending head tag. This is placed inside our HTML tag. Note the head refers to this section of the HTML page. It is very different from the idea of headings within the text content. One of the standard tags found inside the head section of the page is the title tag. This sets a title for the page. The body is the main portion of the web page where we place all the content we want to show our visitors. We define the body of our page using the body tag. The body is inside the HTML tag, but underneath and outside of the head. Just like a human being, each HTML page has only one head and one body. Okay, so we have our basic HTML page structure. The HTML tag surrounds everything, and the page has a head at the top, followed by a body. There's only one thing missing. We need to tell the browser what set of HTML rules we'll be using. HTML has gone through many changes over the years, with new tags appearing and old ones becoming superseded. The current version of HTML is version 4.01, but HTML version 5 is due for stable release by 2014. Even though the HTML5 specification isn't finished, most browsers provide HTML5 support. So we need a way to tell the browser what version of HTML we're using so it knows what rules to apply when rendering our page. We do this with a doctype declaration. This is the doctype declaration for the HTML 4.01 transitional. Don't bother to remember it, you can look it up online and just copy and paste it into your own HTML. Notice it goes right at the very top of the page, even before the starting HTML tag. If you want to, you can work with the much simpler HTML5 doctype declaration. Just be aware this means you can't use any of the older HTML 4.01 tags which have been superseded. So let's look at our basic page structure again. It has a doctype declaration to tell the browser what version of HTML we're using. Then it declares the HTML section of the page using the HTML tag. Within the HTML tag there is a head section defined with the head tag, and a body section using the body tag. Each page has only one head and one body. Information for the browser like the title tag goes in the head. Any page content intended for display to the viewers goes inside the body. Now you have a valid HTML page ready for use. I recommend saving this blank HTML page as a template so you can use it each time you want to make a new page.